Okay, we are going to do our free response today. And again, we are going to be working together on this. So if you work with me and follow the directions and pay attention to what we're learning, not only will you get full points this time, but it will also make it easier in the future when you start doing them completely by yourself. Okay, so our story this week that we've read was Seal Moms. And then we have our question. And remember, if you don't have this paper, you're just doing this in your journal. Okay, but it says, what does a mom seal like to do with her pup? Okay, again, what does a mom seal like to do with her pup? Okay, let's go through our 6 question words and figure out which ones are already in the question itself or which ones have answers in the question. So do we know who we're talking about? Okay, yes. Remember, you don't have to put the little words up here, but I want you to mark things that we mark as we go. So who? We're talking about mom still, and we're talking about her pup. We have 2 who's. Okay. Then the next question word is what? That is the question word that is leading our question today. What? So what does a mom seal like to do with her pup? When? Does the question talk about when at all? No. Does it ask us when? No. So we don't need to worry about that one, but we can use it to add extra detail in our writing if we choose. Where? What does a mom seal like to do with her pup? Are we seeing a where anywhere in that? Nope, that's not talking about a place or a time. And we also don't have that as an actual question word. Okay, how? Does it talk about how they do something? No. And why? Does it talk about why we do something? No. But again, if the question word is not already answered in here and does not lead our question, then those are things you could use to add extra details to your sentence to make them more interesting. Okay, but we're going to just go with the basic. So we have, what does a mom seal like to do with her pup? Okay, when we write a sentence, we usually start with the who. So who are we talking about? Mom seal, and then like to do, the to do goes with the what. So a mom seal, and I even have a here, I'm going to use the who there because she's the one doing the action. She likes to do something with her pup. So the action, the what, is going with her pup. So that with her pup, that phrase will go to the end of our sentence as well. Okay? Okay, so mom seal, a mom seal. We're going to start with a capital. Mom. And if you need to pause at any time, please do so. Okay, then after we have our noun, we need a verb, we need our actions. Okay, so like is a helper verb. Here it's being used as a helper verb. It says likes to do, likes to do. So the to do, we're going to answer with our what. So we're going to copy the word like. Again, we're using words from our question to help us. Mom seal, we're going to turn it into likes to do what? Okay, do what? Let's look back at the story. Okay, a mom seal likes to do something. So we're talking about mom seal. Well, mom seals showed up a lot in this story. But this word likes, this action word, could help us find the clue we need. Okay, so we're going to do what's called skimming. We are not going to go read all of the words right now. We're going to use our laser eyes and we're going to search, just do a quick skim and see if we see the word like. Do I see the word like anywhere on this page? I don't. Do you? No? Okay, let's go to the next page. Let's look if there's the word like standing out to us here. We're not reading all the words, we're just looking to see if we see the word like. Do you see the word like? Nope, neither do I. Okay, there's our last page. Do you see the word like? Yes, here's the word like. It says, they like to do this. I found my keyword and I read the sentence, they like to do this. Well, we don't know what this is, so we're going to look at the sentence before. Because when they used the word this, that was a pronoun indicating that we had already found out what this was. So that's why we're going to the sentence before. It says, Mom and her pup rub noses. So what does a mom seal like to do? A mom seal likes to rub noses. That's right. Okay, we just read that in the text. I'm running out of space, so I'm going to come here. Okay, a mom still likes to rub noses, and then we can add our prepositional phrase at the end, with her pup. If we just left it, a mom still likes to rub noses, that doesn't give us enough of an answer to the question, because we want to specify that we are indeed answering the part of the question that asks about what she does with her pup. We don't include with her pup, then we did not fully answer the question. The important thing about these sentences is that they can stand alone. That reading this sentence makes complete sense without having to have the question there. Okay, so we used a mom still likes to do. We need the do, so we turn to what? Rub noses with her pup. We used almost every word from the question to write our sentence. And that helps us know that we did answer the question correctly. Okay. Now remember, you're just doing this in your journal, so you don't need to create this checklist or anything. I just want you to think about these things and see if you really did them. So ask yourself, did I start with a capital? Okay. So look and check and fix it if you need to. Okay. Ask yourself, did I use the correct capitals? We don't have any names in this one, so we didn't need any other capitals other than the starting one. So if you need to fix them, please do. C, ending period. Do I have a period at the end? D, proper spacing. Did I put spaces between my words? Not try to squish things. Did I keep all the letters in a word together and not put spaces where there shouldn't be one? And E, how's your handwriting? Okay, these are all things you're looking at and thinking about before you show me your work. Okay, did you answer the question? The question was, what does a mom seal like to do with her pup? A mom seal likes to rub noses with her pup. Did we answer it all the way? Yes. And did we use the question and the story to form our answer? Yes, we used the words. Most of the words we got straight from the question. A mom seal likes to, and then the rub noses we got from the story with her pup. Okay, so we used the story and the question to form our answer. Those are the things that we are looking for each time we answer a free response question. Okay, so after you've checked all your things and made sure you've done what you need to do, go ahead and get that turned in. Happy learning!